Welcome to Nardis Gun Club. This video will explain the safety rules of this range to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable experience here as our guest. Let's start by reviewing the basic firearm safety rules. Always keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. Always keep your finger off the trigger until ready to shoot. Always keep the gun unloaded until ready to use. And always know the target and what's beyond it. Because this is an indoor range, you must pay extra attention to the angle of the gun. If the gun is aimed too high, the bullet will impact the ceiling and damage the equipment and facility. When you check in, you will be assigned a lane to shoot from. Before you went to the first door, be sure to put on your eye and ear protection. After entering, be sure to close the first door before opening the range doors. We want to make sure all the noise stays in the range. You can store your gear here. This is the firing line. When you take your firearm out of the case, make sure it's pointed down range. You always want to keep your firearm pointed downrange and at your target, especially when loading and unloading. You can only load your firearm at the firing line. If you have a malfunction that you can't clear safely on your own, place the firearm down on the bench and get a range safety officer. If you see an unsafe situation, you can call ceasefire. If you hear someone say ceasefire, place your firearm down on the bench, point it downrange, and take a step behind the yellow safety line and await further instructions. We hope you have a safe and enjoyable experience here as our guest. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask any of our staff. Thank you for visiting Nardis Gun Club.